Hey guys, what's going on? It's still Sunday Fun Day. It's 5 p.m. and it's been a long day of hiking here in Sedona. We hiked over 10 miles exploring and cave hunting. So yeah, go look at my previous videos, my last two videos, and that's all we did today. It's been amazing. But at this point, we are exhausted and we are tired and we're hot. So we want to get wet. And so we came to this really cool creek and someone told me there's some really cool waterfalls here. So we are here to check them out, get wet, have fun in the water after a long day of hiking. So come along with me, let's get wet and let's have fun. Yay! No miro la cascada, ¿dónde está? ¡Wow! ¿Dónde?
Pero que ella nomás
Y aquí les presento a mi gran amigo, el musculoso Miguel. A ver, enseña los músculos. Okay, let's go look at it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Otro musculoso. Roar. Ah, sí está helada. Ah. Oh my God, it's slippery. Sí, está resbaloso, cuidado. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. ¿Está helada? Wow. Yes. Vente. Wow. ¿Te vas a meter? Siéntate ahí en la piedra. Yes! Oh my God! That looks so cool. ¿Cómo se siente? Yes. Sí. Go, Miguel. Woo. Oh, está bien helada. Oh my God. It's really cold. Está bien helada. Guys, super cold. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Oh my God, it's so cold. That's it. Métete. Que se meta. Métete. Métete. Oh my god. The water is super wet. Oh my god, it's so cold. I'm gonna show you guys another waterfall. It's right here. It's super cute. Acá hay otra, mira, ven. Woo. This one is cute. Oh, I love it. Look, check this out. Magic waterfall. Love it. Métete. No le tengas miedo. ¿Está helada? Wow. Alright guys, this was an amazing way to end this amazing, fabulous day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like my video if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't done it yet because you're gonna miss out if you don't. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys. Bye bye. Despídete. Bye. Ay, sorry.